Hi, welcome to a trip down Knob Creek. I'm Jake Manson, co-host along with Hayden Hall.
Hey!
Hayden, you're coming off a huge victory. Sorry, I'm kind of like in an interview mode, but you're coming off a conference championship. What do you have to say about what day was that?
That was 2 days ago.
And today is
Tuesday.
Thursday. It was Tuesday.
Yeah, today's
Tuesday
February 28th.
Yep.
One more day.
All right, talk about college. Remembering the day.
Yeah.
Remember the days where you like could not forget that it was Friday all day,
Oh, yeah.
and now we're like,
I couldn't tell you what
it's
day
February.
it is. Yeah, it's February. It is crazy, though. I used to wake up every morning and be like, today's Monday, blah, blah, blah. Tomorrow, Tuesday, Wednesday. Now,
No, it's
it'll be Friday and I won't know what tomorrow is.
yeah. Like I'm starting to lose like track of the days of the week. Like
In time.
yeah, it's like Wednesday comes after Tuesday.
Monday. Yeah.
Yeah, that's weird that you said Monday.
Well, because you said Tuesday.
Say the days of the week backwards.
Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday.
Ooh, Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday. That kind of plays with your mind a little bit.
Let's see who can do this faster.
All right.
So, you watch.
Okay. That's weird. I have a different background than I thought. And for a second, I thought it was not my watch. We want the timer. Sorry, this is taking so long. But can you tell me about what we're timing?
We're gonna say the months backwards. Ready?
did not do the timer.
Just count.
Sorry, we'll cut that out. Oh, here. We can do an alarm. What the fuck, dude? I use these watches for like one thing. Fashion. I mean, okay, you can freaking take a picture with your watch. On your, it's like, I could do that right now but I'm really trying to do the timer. Alright.
Ready?
Months backwards.
Months
See who
backwards.
wins.
Ready, set, go.
December, November, October, September, January, fart.
You said January, like 4 months in?
And then I said fart for some reason. But I was like trying to screw
it
you
is.
up. I don't
December.
think. Yeah, do it. You do
December, November, October, September, August, July, June, May, April, March, February, January. January. Ready, set, go.
it. December, November, October, August, September. So September, then August, July, then June, then May, then March.
Nope.
Then minus March plus April, then March, then February, then January.
That took way longer.
Yeah, usually I don't do the minus. Oops. Lila! That's my girl. Okay. How much would you wag your tail if you were a dog?
How much dog could wag my tail? I wag my tail a lot.
Think of what it would feel like to have a tail.
I do.
That's so disgusting.
No, I have a tail. So I was born as an amphibious.
That's a lie. But think if you have a tail and you wag. Like, I don't get. Like, if I had a tail, I would think I'd have to, like, wag my butt. But look at Lila.
No, well, a whale has muscles.
A whale has muscles? Like, a tail has muscles. That's what you meant to say. A tail does have muscles. Like, I'm, like try to, like, imagine yourself have a tail and wiggle it right now. Isn't that crazy? You're not actually moving. Like, that's how I'd be wiggling my tail.
Like this?
Yeah.
You just sit there and you just move it. I can feel it right now.
I know. Thank you, Chuck, first of all. Shout out to Chuck if you're watching.
Jesus, go to bed.
Yeah, go to bed. It's Texas time.
Yeah.
It's probably 8:30. Tell him about Chuck.
Chuck was our neighbor. He had about 6 teeth.
And that's not, like, on the high side.
And that's if I counted 2 twice.
I'm going to start using that one. Alright, continue about Chuck.
But yeah, he was just an old man that was just...
How old?
I don't know, probably 75.
I'd he moved pretty well for a 75-year-old.
70.
Yeah, probably 70.
Who's older, him or Mr. Wolf?
Well, they just had totally different personalities.
What about him or Mr. Burns? Who's older? Do you know how Burns is?
Isn't he like 41?
Who?
Burns?
No.
I heard he's younger than I thought.
No, he's way older than you thought.
I heard he's younger than I thought. Fuck. Wait, who's older, Mr. Burns or who?
Chuck.
Oh. Probably
Burns is older.
Burns is older.
Do you know how old Burns is?
How old?
Guess.
61.
71.
He's rippity dipped for 71. Oh my god.
10 years ago, he's bench pressed 415.
What is that? That is 4 plates. 4 plates is 45 times 8. Mine is going bazookas.
No, 8, what's 9 times 4? 360.
315 plus 90 is 395. What did he do? No.
415.
That is about...
That's 4 plates and a 25.
If we're doing... We'll post the actual... what it actually looks like right here. But yeah, our math is off right now. What?
I don't think you're ever gonna clean that spider.
Oh, that's funny. Okay, so here's the spider story. For any of you that are actually still listening, there are black widows that live in Lancaster, California. Red alert, red alert. And I'll tell you how we know this. We saw one in our garage. And we don't think anybody put it there and took it from somewhere else. We thought. So, black widow.
Could have traveled.
What?
Could have traveled.
Man, how many, like, I was going to ask how many steps that is for a spider. And 8 legs,
That's like 8, 16,
it's like,
13,
wow. Anyway, so the spider is massive. Like, I saw black widows in Yakima. And it was probably, like, the butt of it was like that big.
Jeez.
But this one was like,
It's definitely
it was
big.
that big, the butt. And then there was the little red bow. Looked like a nice little bow. And at first I was like, oh, that's a nice little spider. But then you're like, a black widow, that's scary, because if the venom gets you, then you go to the hospital.
I don't like the hospital.
But when I first saw it this year, I thought, I was like, okay, we might, like, this is like a death threat. Like, Black Widow. Like, I was thinking, if I get stung by this, like, 50-50, I'm living, dying. I don't know.
Isn't that what every decision is? 50-50, you're living and dying?
No, but with the spider, it's about 50-50. Like, that spider is what I thought. How I had been raised with
I hear you.
Black Widows is like 50-50, I'm gonna die.
You've been raised by black widows?
If I said that, then I'm sorry. No, but anyway, the big old spider, right? And we see it right out there in the garage, and I'm like, that is not a normal spider, that is a black widow. So we take a shoe, like, and what else did we take? The
Bug spray.
No, it wasn't. It was like Febreze.
Febreze. It was Febreze.
And you were like, we're gonna like double attack this spider. It's a fat spider, right? Like in front of. We'll put a picture of the spider because we'll get to that. Hayden's like 3, 2, 1. We crush it with the shoe. One of your basketball shoes, actually. And the first hit doesn't kill it. Starts to move. We have a heart attack. And then the next hit, and as Hayden, we flatlined. Yeah. And we woke up 12 hours later, and the spider is nowhere to be seen. Yeah. No, but the second hit got it, smushed it. And then we kind of just were like, had that sense of relief.
Yeah.
But then we kind of took a step back, and I said, wow, that's going to be on the wall for the rest of the year.
And I said, why is that?
And I go, are you going to clean it?
No.
I said, is Jules going to clean it?
No.
And I said, I'm not going to clean it. And so, the black widow, to this day, I mean, it's probably been eaten away by some types of other bugs. That's what they do.
Yeah.
But here it is right here. The black widow.
Yeah.
Crazy. It's beautiful. Beautiful creature, but not in our garage. Are you kidding me? If those things have babies, they have like 1,000 babies. And then it's like our house is invested.
Imagine having 1,000 babies.
Like all at the same time?
No.
What's the max for women, for like a girl? What's like the max? Like, you're having quintuple, like, what if it was like, you're having 12 babies? And it's like, boop, 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 boop,
Well,
boop,
9.
boop. I mean, it's not.
Just babies.
I got the sheep guy.
Ready? C-sections.
I had 6 by C-section and 6 by shotgun. Whatever kind of gun that was. AK-47U.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my god. Wow, that is gonna be gold. That actually.
Alright, we're gonna see if you're dilated.
But really, we need to like look that up. I'm actually interested in that.
9's the most. Alexa, how many babies is the most babies?
According to the U.S. Census Bureau, there are approximately 133 million infants in the world, which represents 1.8% of the total population.
Alexa,
Did that answer your...
how many babies can a woman have at one time?
We're not cutting that last part out.
Humans produce 1 offspring per birth.
Well, I know that's not right. Because we're going to a twin's birthday tomorrow. Happy birthday, Asia and Deja. This one's for you.
Oh, I didn't know that was a birthday party.
On the I think on the side it said national champs, and on the bottom it said like happy birthday, Asia. Or it was like her Twitter handle. It was like A24 Asia, whatever it is. I don't know. Here it is, right here. Follow her. Oh man. But anyway, so 9 babies is the most. Have you heard of any more?
Yeah.
Like at one time.
9 babies is the most babies. Wow, 9. Have you ever heard of any more? Yeah.
Push the limits here.
I wrote 11 one time.
What?
I wrote of 11 one time. No, I think 9's the biggest.
I mean, cheaper by the dozen, but she was like, she reloaded between shots.
You're saying how many can a woman have in her lifespan?
No.
Well,
she's not pregnant with
cheaper by the
twins.
dozen was
She's
no-
not pregnant with triplets, quadruplets,
Yeah.
quintuplets.
9. What?
You're like, you said that like you're a fucking doctor. like you're gonna write me a prescription. Oh my god.
How many of them?
No.
9.
You're gonna need a lot of antibiotics.
No. Take 19 Advil and how big was she?
Here's a picture of her.
No.
Oh man, that is gonna be gold too. Because we're gonna Google some good shit. You know what we're gonna find on our way to that image too?
No, we're not. Because we're not going to click that picture.
Okay, how about this? Do you remember the thing that I think you told me to Google? Like,
No.
what? And this wasn't just us. This was like, you ever Googled this? And this is like where my brain is just so open to suggestions and ideas. And this is what was going inside.
Blue waffle.
Blue waffle. I'm not gonna put a picture of a blue waffle right here. Because kids are watching this. And if you think it's a blueberry waffle,
You are wrong.
And of course, my infant mind, or not infant, 12 months, no, I couldn't speak.
Would you eat a blue waffle?
Oh,
Like from my hot blueberries.
I mean, not if it like, I mean, probably would. But I would want it to be called a blueberry waffle, not a blue waffle. What if it was like dyed blue? So that's funny.
Sheldon FaceTimed me today.
He FaceTimed me too.
What did you do?
He was like, "Yo, bet." And I was no, we talked about that guy with the watch, dude. He's been having some trouble. So Sheldon trying to buy himself an Apple Watch, and I'm really good with the market of different electronic devices, knowing how much things cost. But Sheldon, on the other hand, could care less.
Jumping on a box of fucking rocks.
On the other hand, is I was gonna say smart, and then I got. He's a good guy. And
Great personality.
yeah, and like then that's why I'm helping him find this Apple Watch. And like
He called me and I'm like, it looks like he's taking a poop. And he was like, yeah, what's good, bro? Like, just his face. I'm like, just chilling, man, playing some Call of Duty. He's like, yeah.
You weren't taking a poop?
No, he was. Sheldon called me when he was.
FaceTime.
Yeah. I'm like,
All right.
And so I'm like,
Comment down below if like.
when's the worst time to get a FaceTime?
Yeah, when is the worst time where you're like about to answer it,
And then
you're like, wait,
no,
you're gonna see where I'm at.
It depends though. I've had my mom FaceTime me and I'm like, yeah, nope, not calling her back. And then I've had you FaceTime me or call me and I'm like, FaceTime me.
Yeah. And I'm like in bed, pitch black.
Mm-hmm.
Remember when we used to call each other every day at my lunch? And what were you playing?
What was it?
Like when I was working, and it was like I had my break at about 9:10.
No, 9:15, and then you had one at 12 to 1, and then you had one like 3-ish or so, depending on how when you got out.
And okay, let's try and recreate the phone call. You ready for this?
Oh, it's great.
Alright. So
Bring, bring. You're on like an old home phone. Like,
no, yeah.
bring, bring.
I'm like,
That's how you don't answer it that way.
oh yeah, I'm speakerphone in my car.
Are we calling
What's
each
that
other?
from? No. What is that from?
Oh, I thought it was a beat.
I know it is. Anyway, so let's recreate it.
No, we were both just calling each other. Pick up! Pick up!
That actually is happening! Yo, what up?
Yo. What are you doing?
Just got off work. I'm on break right now. First break. Probably gonna go get a coffee. What's up with you?
One sec.
You're good. I'm just chilling.
Yo. So what are you doing?
I just got off work. But break from 9 to 9.
Did you ever talk to that one girl?
That one girl. Man, I was only
The one that was in the car with us?
Sorry, I almost talked to my buddy who was sitting in the room with me.
Oh, you're good, fam.
Yeah, no. And I just covered my phone when I was.
There, I couldn't really hear you.
Oh man. No, I haven't talked to her.
So good call.
Yeah.
What kind of coffee you get?
There's this drink. It's called
That's what's up.
what
are you doing tomorrow?
Coffee creamer, cold coffee creamer with peanut butter.
What are you doing tomorrow?
Work.
Yeah, that's what's
So
good.
happy that I'm not working.
What's that good?
Ask me what I'm doing the next day. Work.
When can you hang out? When can I come up there? Actually, I gotta go.
Yep.
Bye.
I'll talk to you later. So that.
That's almost actually how they went.
Pretty close. But you needed to be sponsored by any company in the world. What would it be? I know this is going to be a good answer.
Nike. The number one electrical company in the world.
Wow. What is it? Why?
Because they're never gonna like not have money. Like they're always in our world, the way our world's evolving, we will always need electricity.
So, you're going to be sponsored. And it's going to say...
Didn't know you were talking. I thought you meant like give you money, like.
I didn't say if one company could give you money.
That's
Like
okay. Well,
sponsored.
that's what I thought. Oh, like apparel, like what I'm wearing.
I mean, apparel or like Taco Bell sponsor you. You wear Taco Bell, you get free Taco Bell.
I mean, my top three would be.
Like you have to post images of Taco Bell.
My top three would be Nike, like Mountain Dew, and then I would say Red Bull, but I don't drink Red Bulls like that. I like them, but I just like when you see like the Red Bull logo, you know something's gonna be badass.
Yeah.
Like you see it and you're like, dude, that guy must be crazy because he's probably like Red Bull.
Yeah. Or Monster. Like I like random person, picture them sponsored by Monster.
Yeah.
They have black hair.
Yeah.
Some eyeshadow.
On holiday. Isn't the lead singer of Green Day?
Is Green Day sponsored by Monster?
Yeah.
And that's
Not true.
That's why I love you. Do you remember what we used to do in like Drendel and Hartlow?
No.
It was this one right here. Okay, there's a couple of them. Oh. And it was not. Usually it's like somebody will accidentally bump you and you'll be like, oh. But no. With us, it was like you didn't have to do anything.
When Hayden Stoltz
like we're working on a test.
When Hayden Stoltz would do it, go follow Hayden Stoltz. His name's right here.
Yeah.
Somebody would be like, "Shut up! Stop talking to me!" And he'd be on the other side of the classroom and be like, "Oh."
Oh yeah. Like on the other side.
The Drendel would be like, "All right, guys, read pages 99 to 1007," and he'd be like, "Oh."
Or no, it would be like everyone open to their pages to 269, and he'd be, "Oh." What was the other one? Hayden was so like good at this. Like he could make you laugh just with his eyes. So it'd be like this. And then he'd act like he's back to doing what he's doing and just like looks back.
Which he wasn't.
And then he'd laugh about it, and then he's like
that one, another one was you're done. And you're done.
So what would be an example?
Somebody would try and be funny and be like, "Oh, you think you're cool? Well, your mom was so fat that she weighs too much."
Yeah,
and you're done.
That was a good one.
What do you always used to tell Freddie?
I know. Oh my God, Freddie Madrid or Madriz or something. R.I.P. Hopefully you're not watching Freddie.
Don't
and if you were actually dead, I'm sorry. What was the? You want to tell the fish story?
Dude, that's upsetting.
Okay, but we were young and dumb and broke.
Young,
Young, dumb, and broke.
Not you.
Okay, so
Went to Oceanside.
Ocean Shores in Washington.
Oh, this story.
It's the second bit.
We went there, and it was the first time we went fishing. We found these like.
What? No. Let's start from the beginning. Tell them about the lake.
Oh yeah. Okay. So this is Grandpa's house, Grandpa's house, and he.
How old are we?
Yeah, it was your Grandpa. We're freshman year of college. Yep, going into sophomore year probably.
Yep.
No, senior year of high school.
Going into freshman year.
Yep.
Wow.
Oh, wow. A long time ago. So that would have been 2012. 2012. So 7 years ago. Went there. The lake was greener than green.
It was like this color. It was bad.
It was really bad. And then, so we're like, let's see if we can fish. And Tommy was super set on it and sat on the cooler on the end of the dock. And it was just fishing.
And we were like, yo, if there's any fish that's alive enough to...
Yeah, we wouldn't even want to
not only eat your food off your hook, but see the food.
Yeah.
Like, if there's fish, you might as well be blind.
Yeah.
And you're probably going to end up being blind from that water anyway.
Yeah.
But
so then he sat there for like a good 2 to 3 hours. Remember that? He just
and
sat
we're
out
like,
there
Tommy,
and we're like, dude, let's
promise.
go.
And he's like, I swear I felt a nipple.
Yeah.
I was like, yo, if you do catch something, you're not going to eat it.
Yeah. But then he finally caught it.
Yeah.
Finally
And literally, like, we're like, I mean, what were we doing? Probably
Frisbee or catch or something. Yeah.
And Tommy just sitting there. And then it was like, oh, I got one!
Yeah.
He reels it in and we're like, throw our ball and glove down. Like, me knew you'd get one!
So then he caught 3 of them.
Yeah. No, but he caught one.
Yeah. But he caught 4 of them or whatever in that
Put him
day.
in a bucket. Yeah.
Put him in that cooler, and then we let him go. But we saved one. And
What did we name it?
Squeaky.
Don't give it away! Wow. If
So
people
then
don't know us before this story, they're going to know us.
Your grandpa had a brick fireplace, and then it had that black, cookie sheets thingy.
Yeah.
Over the top, so you could cook stuff on it.
So it was pretty much just a stationary barbecue.
Yeah. But it was an outdoor zone. So we started the fire. We roasted marshmallows, and then Tommy was like, "Dude, let's cook that fish." Or one of us did. And I was like, "Yeah, man, go grab that fish, bro!"
Yeah.
Grabbed it. We were all excited. And instead of one, making sure it was dead, it was
Or
still
2,
alive.
well, I think part of us was didn't feel right just killing it.
Yeah, no, we didn't want to.
So
So we tried
just
to
skipped
have
that
somebody else
step.
kill it.
and started to.
So then we were like, dude, let's just throw it on and eat it. So we.
No, we were like. I mean, it's looked. That's the thing. It was almost dead. It was out and just sitting on there.
It was not doing well. So then I was like, yeah, dude, throw it on there. We'll cook it.
And I remember I convinced you. I was like, it's already in so much pain. Look at the water. We're swimming in. We're putting it out as misery.
I'm like, no, actually, I don't like this. I'm the only one. You guys are like, no, do it. And then he did it. And it just sat on the grill for a second or two. And then it just eyes open. And was just and I was like, get it off! Get it off!
No, you were you were gonna, when it wasn't doing anything and it was, you knew it was kind of alive. You were like, oh, I hope you roast, you're gonna taste so good. And then it started and it just was croaking and you're like, get it off! Get it off!
So we got it off.
And we got it off with a stick. It had burn marks on the side.
But then we threw it back in the water, thinking that it was gonna help and just be down there.
It was gonna go in the water.
Yeah, I'm good. Thanks, y'all. Go to his neighborhood and go.
Yo, man,
he's got
badass barbecue across the street.
Hold on. He's got a burn mark and we're underwater. What the hell?
Like SpongeBob.
Oh man, that's funny.
What else happened there with the gasoline? Do you remember? The tractor?
We needed to get gasoline to start the fire.
Yep, to start the fire to cook the fish.
And we had no gasoline. And I go,
because we were it was it had been raining, so we didn't have much. We had some dry wood that we went and had, but we had a match. A match and no starter.
Literally maybe one match.
Yeah, one match. We're doing this with the wood. We had nothing. And then I'm like, yo, there's gas in the tractor.
Yeah, and I was like, not a bad idea. And Tommy's like, no, I don't think it'll work. Yeah. And Justin was like,
I know what you were gonna do.
So we went out there, and I tipped over the lawnmower, and Manny was sitting under there.
And how heavy was the lawnmower?
Very.
We had like all three of us.
Yeah.
Getting it up, and Tommy's like underneath, like holding a little thing.
Hairs and oil. Filled it up, and then we just tossed it on, and then just threw the match. And
then we're like, grab the fish.
Grab squeaky. Why is it squeaky?
We're not gonna have to buy dinner tonight.
I think we did say that.
Nice job, Tommy.
We were like mountain men. We were like, we're not gonna have to get dinner tonight. I was on the bar.
Like Creed.
Yeah.
In the office. We'll put that up there. Oh man, that's so.
And that's a trip down Knob Creek. That's episode number 4.
All right, hope you enjoyed.